Hi friends, today I will tell you how we can change taskbar alignment in Windows 11. As you can see in Windows 11, you can see taskbar in the center of the. We can align it to left. Now quickly we will move to go to setting. Right click on taskbar and click on taskbar setting. Here you will see taskbar behavior. Expand these settings and here you will see taskbar alignment. In taskbar alignment you can see its center and its left. You can choose center or left. By default it's center when we install the Windows 11, and if we want to change its alignment to left, you will click on left, and you will see the taskbar moves to left. We can also change the taskbar setting through settings. Go to settings. Here you can see personalization, and you will see taskbar and same taskbar behavior. Expand it, and here you will see taskbar alignment. You can choose according to your choice. This is all about how we can change taskbar alignment from center to left or left to center. I hope you understand all the procedure. In case of any issue, you can write me comments. Thanks.